Hey everybody, it's Chris Honig with MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. Hope y'all are doing well, enjoying this beautiful week. Wanted to give y'all a quick look at our 2019 Boston Whaler 150 Montauk. This beautiful Montauk we ordered has a full light blue gel coat all around the boat. We have this outfitted with a Mercury 60 horsepower 4-stroke motor and 12-gallon gas tank under the reversible pilot seat to get you anywhere you need to go in this boat. This boat's also outfitted with the teak side boarding steps, gives that classic whaler look, as well as a fishing package, which includes a 36-quart cooler seat, console mounted rod holders, and then on the other side has integrated tackle box storage. Also have a nice anchor locker, followed up by a trolling motor setup for if you want to add that on later. This boat is 15 feet 5 inches long and comes with a galvanized swing tongue trailer, which is really easy to store in your garage. And maximum weight on this boat is about 1,300 pounds, so really easy boat to trailer and get around everywhere with only a 9-inch draft in some of our shallow waters. So if you'd like to see this boat or any of our others, please contact me, Chris Honig, at 910-617-3646. Thanks and have a great day.